All right, so I just got the 5-minute warning phone call. Miley's almost back. Look, it's my car. She's back. Ooh. Miss the old girl.
It's perfect size for you, not for me.
Yep. Come on, steering wheel. Oh, wrong key, I forget. I have 2 keys. There it is. Okay.
I get this.
Straight, yep.
That's it. That's it.
Good.
Okay. Start the car and go in slow back.
Good.
Slow. Get over it. No look at nothing. Just the wheel straight.
Nope, no problem.
Nothing else. Go, go. Go. Slow. Okay. Going. The last one. That's it. Perfect, Christian. Finish.
And she's on the ground.
Now.
She's back. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Let's go ahead and grab our front lip out of here. Always ship the car with no front lip, just in case. Just in case. We're gonna toss this back on. Yeah, it doesn't go nowhere. Ooh, she be sounding good. All right, back to the house we go. Ah, the old girl. You guys know, I love the wagon, but my girl Miley, so good to have her back. This car makes the wagon sound like it's completely stock. I love how just like rowdy this car is. Beautiful sound. What's better than one VR6? 2 VR6s, both cammed. Super sick. So yeah, stoked to have Miley back again. Shout out to Nick, shout out Open Air Imports for helping out with everything, getting the car there and back safely, and there she is. Ooh, and she be sounding so good. What a beauty. So aside from the car just being filthy from being outside, no new damage, nothing to report, which is always very good. The front right tire is a little bit flat with the air in that tire, but not a massive deal. And then also my exhaust. Now this was an issue, well, not really an issue, but we noticed this when I was still up there in Virginia and also Maryland. I think the hanger up here is either broken or loose because my exhaust is doing a little bit of moving, not like terrible, but it's touching the rear diffuser down here. So maybe not. Well, it's lower than it was. So I'm gonna get into the car, adjust that and get it back to where it should be. But other than that, a little bit of a loose exhaust. Tire is a little bit low. Can't complain. She's home in one piece. All right, all tire pressures are now back to being where they should be. Like I said, that one was like noticeably low. The rest were like maybe 5 or so down. Not too bad. But now everything's back where it should be. And if we look inside here, look at this. Give me my car wash bucket. Where are they at? There's, you know, half my tools, and back over there, things that would have made this job much easier, but it is what it is. Also, if you notice this, watch how easy this closes now. Ready? Watch. And then just simple So what I did, a long time ago, I adjusted these ones right there because a lot of times your taillights don't line up properly. So I adjusted that so the trunk stopped sooner, but then this got super tight and I'd always have to like slam the trunk down. And I realized you could just move this one up. So you can see where it used to be, like 2-3 millimeters further down. I just moved it up and now my trunk functions super nice. Let me show you what makes me extremely happy. A nice, complete toolbox once again. You'll love to see it. What also makes me happy, Nick gave us these really nice auto finesse buckets with all this awesome detailing gear and car wash soap right there, because I just ran out of soap washing this car earlier this week and I didn't feel like going to get more, but now got a whole bucket worth of stuff. We can wash this car. All right, let's see what kind of fun we're having under here. Is it broken? Oh, it looks like the bracket is bent right there. So it should be holding like there, and it's lower. Yeah, you can see it's loose. So there's a bolt back here. I'll just tighten that. You can see over here, there's a bolt right there. Snug that back up so this is back where it should be. And we will be all set. So that's good to go. Cool, I'm glad nothing's broken at least. The bolt's just spinning. We don't love that. Did I put a nut on top of it? I might have actually. I think I did. Oh no, it's tightening. Just kidding. Just kidding, it's tightening. Whew. Thought I'd unstripped it out. Alright, well, with that, there you go. You can see it was sitting almost on spool. It was close. You can see where it kind of got a little bit burnt. We'll put some fresh trim paint. You'll never see it. But this, no more wiggle, no more movement. Solid. So even though the car did absolutely flawless in Virginia, and we did about 700 miles in total, and the car literally did not miss a beat, I couldn't be more thankful. I still want to go through, get the car up in the air, and just bolt check the entire thing. And I'm pleased to say, axle bolt's still tight, wheel lug's still tight, tie rod's still good, wheel bearing's still good. We're not leaking any coolant, not leaking any oil. The car did fantastic, and everything's still in great shape, and we greatly appreciate that. All right, so tires have air. Our exhaust has been fixed. It is time for a nice little wash from Miley, and then just go for a drive.
You could call me filthy. 멀리에서 왔지. NYC Timberland 구두 입고 왔지. LAX touchdown. I ain't sleeping a beat. Sleep on a beach. 하나 모네가 도착했지. 난 아직 알지. I got a lot of things on my 말만 하지. You are the suckers playing games. I've been through it all. 지옥 같은 인생 put into a song. Stupid long. Get in the car.
So Miley is nice and clean once again. Looking beautiful as ever. We got just a bit, I mean, let's appreciate the Florida sky right now because it looks fantastic, but just a bit of light left, enough time to go for a quick cruise in the car, hear some good VR6 sounds, and we'll probably end it off. Insane. I don't know if it's the door card, it's like lower. I've tried to shake everything, but like when I look for it, it's a seat. I can't replicate the sound Good car. So pleased to say, Miley still rips, no problems to report, aside from that annoying squeak. It's in the back. It has to be in the door card, but I've tried to shake the door and pound the door card and like move everything over there, and I cannot replicate the sound until the car's driving. I need someone actually to drive the car. I'll sit in the back and I'm gonna start hitting stuff until I find it, because it's like, it's been years and I can't find this squeak, and it drives me insane. And it's that like really squeaky, ear-piercing, just oh, so frustrating. That's my goal this week. I'm gonna find that squeak and eliminate it. I don't know where it's at, but I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find it, and it's gonna go away for good because I'm over it. Aside from that though, the VR6 sounds were fantastic. That car makes this car sound like it's stock. This car sounds great, but just that car is very rowdy. Just she chops and it's just Miley, you know? She has all the good sounds. But with that, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Also, with the arrival of Miley, we also have one more car arriving later this month, which again, hopefully if it all works out, I posted also on the Patreon. If it all works out, we will have that new thing at the Cars and Coffee at Euro Tuning on the 28th. That's the plan. Everything currently is like in line to work, but you never know. But hopefully that works out, and I'll see you guys out there. Do not forget, be thankful for every single day. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.